There's a Cessna diagonally over 24191. So it might be a paint jumbo line cover up just farther over that way, or he might turn and do a cover up for the military copter. Looks like it's all dirty, like the planes from yesterday, like all, looks like there's like a dirt blotch, like a reddish tint under the right wing, and the bottom's like a dirt blue with sandblasted and all dull and screwed up. And that's how all the planes were yesterday in that squadron. Just like when they sent the 2 cover-up copters over my roof that were just so hard to identify because there weren't any stark colors or parts. Set up like that on purpose. So there he goes.